Day 6 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Welcome to RideWise Moto. Air filter cleaning. 1. Importance of a clean air filter. Your air filter keeps dirt and debris out of your engine. A clogged filter can restrict airflow, reducing engine performance and fuel efficiency. 2. Cleaning or replacing the filter. Depending on your riding environment, clean or replace your air filter every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. Locate the filter, usually in a box near the engine, and inspect it for dirt and damage. 3. Steps to clean or replace. For foam filters, wash in soapy water, dry, and re-oil before reinstalling. For paper filters, replace them if they're dirty. A clean air filter ensures your engine performs optimally. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 7 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Coolant check. 1. Importance of coolant. Coolant regulates your engine's temperature, especially during long rides or in hot weather. Low coolant levels can lead to engine overheating. 2. Checking coolant levels. Ensure the engine is cool, then locate the coolant reservoir. Check the level against the minimum and maximum marks. If it's low, top it off with recommended coolant. 3. Inspecting for leaks. Inspect the radiator and hoses for any signs of leaks or damage. Keeping your coolant levels in check will prevent overheating and ensure your engine runs at the right temperature. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 8 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Inspecting cables. 1. Importance of cable condition. Cables control your throttle, clutch, and brakes, and over time, they can fray, stretch, or dry out. This can lead to poor response and even failure if not addressed. 2. Regular inspection for wear. Check your cables regularly for any signs of fraying, stretching, or damage. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to replace the affected cables immediately to maintain safe operation. 3. Lubricating cables for smooth operation. Apply a cable-specific lubricant to reduce friction and ensure smooth control operation. This simple maintenance step will keep your bike's controls responsive and reliable. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 9 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Light and indicator check. 1. Importance of working lights. Your lights and indicators are vital for visibility and communication on the road. Non-functioning lights can put you and others at risk, especially in low light conditions. 2. Checking all lights. Before each ride, ensure that your headlight, taillight, brake light, and turn signals are working properly. Replace any burnt-out bulbs immediately to maintain safety. 3. Inspecting wiring for damage. Check the wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion, as faulty wiring can lead to intermittent light failures. Keeping your lights in top condition is essential for safe riding. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto. Day 10 of 100 days, 100 motorcycle maintenance tips. Tire inspection. 1. Importance of regular tire checks. Your tires are the only part of your bike that touches the road, so it's crucial to keep them in good condition. Worn or damaged tires can lead to loss of control and accidents. 2. Checking for wear and damage. Inspect your tires regularly for cuts, punctures, or bulges. If the tread depth is below 2/30ths of an inch, it's time to replace the tire to maintain traction and safety. 3. Looking for signs of uneven wear. Uneven tire wear could indicate alignment issues or incorrect tire pressure. Regularly inspecting and addressing these issues will help you avoid unexpected problems on the road. For more such content, don't forget to follow or subscribe to RideWise Moto.